50 mile an hour. It's a scenic road. Doesn't look like Utah anymore. It is.
Have a lot of tree, but in the mountain, look, have no tree there in the top.
Entering motorized restricted area. Look at that. You missed it. You missed it.
What?
Waterfall. You were looking up here and you missed the waterfall on the right.
Ah, let's see. Oh, there is water.
Look at that.
Oh no, this is it. Look at that there. Right there in the... It's easy. Have a picnic area here too, Hannah.
Not in front of us.
Very good. Okay, we're going to the lake now, guys. I want to show you guys this. It's dangerous.
Climb that cliff?
My God, I not want to climb there.
Stokes Nature Center Park.
The people like hiking is so high to hike that, huh? Wow, many people here stop because of the hike.
50 mile an hour. It's a scenic road. Doesn't look like Utah anymore. It is.
Have a lot of tree, but in the mountain, look, have no tree there in the top.
Entering motorized restricted area. Looks like they all stayed last night and they're coming home.
Yeah.
I spent Labor Day at home.
Here we go. Escort Road.
Yeah, look,
Wow,
it's going
but
up. See that
let-
sign?
What?
See the sign? Curvy road.
Yep.
Coming up. That was nothing what we just went through.
Oh no.
Wow, look at this.
Choing, 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 choing. A lot of tree here in the... Maybe have water there, honey.
Fresh water.
Yeah,
Should have brought a canteen. Gotta fill it up.
that's container.
Right there we can park. Look.
We bring the container so that have water. Wow, how many people stop here? What's
Oh,
wrong
that's the
here?
lower dam.
Oh wow, look at that tree. Oh, the tree. It's nice. It's a road trip, guys.
We'll be driving this at night coming back. That's gonna be fun.
Look at that tree, pine tree, that honey. Nice,
Yeah, looks
nice
like a
tree.
type of pine tree.
But it's hazy. You cannot clear the...
This is so hot. That's why it's hazy. Smoke.
Yep.
All the fires.
Oh no, we're going to the... Oh, here's the
Camping
water.
People are camping out there.
Yep. The creek under, honey. Have a creek here.
Yep.
That's why the tree, the alive.
See, it's cutting through the mountains.
Yep.
They found a path through. Built the road.
Make taller the tree here because have water. What we call here now?
North of Logan.
North of Logan.
Out in the wilderness. Oh, there's mountain lights out. Look at that. You missed it. You missed it.
What?
Waterfall. You were looking up here and you missed the waterfall on the right.
Ah, I not see. Oh, there is water.
Look at that mountain in front of us.
Yep.
It's like a line of trees. Pine trees. One that's like a stream or waterfall. Wow.
We not been here. First time we been here, guys.
Yep.
We're going to Bear Lake.
Over there, stream.
Yep. We cannot see.
Fishing. You didn't see?
Wow, many people there.
You can go if you're into outdoors. You can. That's why they have trailers out here, or
Yeah.
RVs. Because they go to different campsites all over the place. Then they get to hike the area.
Maybe they go fishing.
Fishing, yep.
Yep.
Oh, what's this guy doing?
Oh no. Where are you going?
It's a private road.
Up other car there. Park.
Picnic area.
Yep.
You can have some peanuts. You can eat the bacon I brought for you. Brought a banana for RJ.
Yeah.
Campground.
Is the
mountain.
camping here?
Some big mountains. You get a lot of snow out here.
Yeah. Oh, many cars here too.
I thought about going bike riding here
All the people they come here because of
because of that.
wow, nice. It's not hot here.
They camp in the woods there, see?
Yeah, the woods.
It's right along the stream.
Yep. Look like
The
school
guy
there
behind me is
here.
getting impatient. He wants to pass. I gave him 5 opportunities to pass me. When I went double lane, he didn't pass.
You stop, honey, so that they go. Honey.
Yeah,
that they can pass.
View there.
There you go. Look at this road. Is so curved.
Curve.
Curved. Oh no. What's that?
I went over the double yellow line. Gave me a warning.
Yeah.
Oh,
Other car.
go on a spot.
Yep. We not stop, honey. We stop here in the so that the
I'm just trying to take it all in. All the scenery.
oh there is. Need to stop there. Oh look at that. Oh my god, I cannot see. There you go. A view.
Should have had a sunroof. You were sticking your head out through the sunroof, flying to drone. Following us.
Yeah, nice this here, honey. Because they have a lot of
Oh, look, a double lane. He's not there.
oh my goodness. It's long time we not been in road trip.
Went to the grocery store, that's all we did. For 6 months. Although no, we went to the park. Did go to the park a couple times. And we did bike riding.
Yeah.
We did get out, but we were local. First time we got out of the stream.
There is stream.
I'm gonna let this train of cars go past me.
Yeah. Better stop first here. There's the camper, the picnic, D
Close
use
the D.
area. Only the D. I need to use here area, honey. Look at that. Nice. My God. Full memory this.
Right now it's full?
It's so long now. No,
Well, you
not
just
yet.
take segments from it.
Look at this.
Cut the best, not the best.
Yep,
Look at that, isn't that cool?
yep,
That rock formation there.
yeah.
I wish RJ was driving, I could get in the back of the pickup with my camera, my zoom lens.
mountain in Utah, RJ.
They're big. They have a lot of ski areas. Utah is famous for skiing. We'll show you the. You haven't been there since you were like 3. Well, we'll show you the ski area.
Park City.
Park City, yeah. Up there. Be nice to stop at a restaurant and get a burger.
Yeah,
Be nice if OJ ate that.
you eat, RJ, so that you can go in.
McDonald's burger's gotta be. We can sit out in a restaurant.
Yep. There he is.
That stream is right there still.
Yeah, I cannot see. Oops.
Oh, went over the other line again.
How does it make that sound?
They put little bumps in it.
Yeah, the
You can
yellow.
see it. If you look out the window, you can see little bumps.
So that if sleepy people are driving, you can hear.
Yep, it reminds you.
You wake up.
Well, look at this.
What's this here?
Oh, just looking up. You don't get the full effect unless you get the mountains in there. Speed limit 40.
Uh-oh.
I'm going 50.
That's why it look like you're so fast.
See, it would be very hard just to drive straight up the mountain. That's why they have these mountain passes.
Yep.
They cut away through it in curves. That's how it goes.
Look at this view, nice.
What's all that smoke? It's on fire.
Oh my goodness, does that
It's on
truck
fire.
happen?
Maybe his brakes are on fire.
Oh, there's the creek.
Got 2 more cars behind me. 3 more. I'm gonna have to pull over.
Yeah, pull
Get
over.
upset. Boy, you see the smell that came in the truck? Smell it?
I not smell.
The smoke. It's all over. It's on the inside of our vehicle now. You don't smell the smoke?
How? How did it get inside?
Because it was in the air.
There, other view. We're here in Beaver Mountain.
Mountain.
Look at that. So long.
You can buy land up here and build houses.
This freaking bear game.
We're about 10 miles from Bear Lake. We'll be there in 10 minutes.
Huh?
Rent me. We
Rent
can force you to
me.
do buggy. Horseback riding.
Oh,
This
worse.
is why we came up here, just to see if it's worth coming up again
Yeah.
and spending the night at a campsite. You can rent a cabin, you know, and then spend a couple days going horseback riding. You want to ride a horse, RJ? No comment?
Not like that, are you?
Yeah, RJ like that. The dune buggy, take
Look
the
at
dune
that
buggy.
view there.
Dune buggies and horseback riding. Down, go down.
Camping area there in the deep.
It was 100 miles. When I saw it at home, remember, OJ? It was 84 miles. That's why I estimated 2 hours.
Is the people from Bear Lake this? A lot of people, huh?
My ears popped.
On.
Oh, you do? Okay,
Yeah.
good.
I had my seatbelt on since you stopped.
Look at this road.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that road. Oh my goodness.
Oh, they make a right turn, cut it short.
we go. Almost now there, guys.
Sunrise Campground, say. Half mile.
Yep.
Scenic Overlook.
What?
Scenic Overlook.
Oh, yep.
Somewhere.
Maybe not here. The other side. Oh, there is Scenic there.
Coming up to the
See?
lake. Sunrise Campground. Ah, here we are.
Sunrise.
Something campground. Boats, canoes, and kayaks. Let's go up here.
Oh, look at that. Oh no, this is it. Look at that there. Right there in the lower area.
Let's
Cannot
go look
see.
at the scenery now.
Yeah.
In 800 feet,
Look at
turn
this.
right.
Here you go, the parking lot. Go in that view there.
Let's walk out the sidewalk
There.
and take a look.
Okay. We got the view here. It's hilly. Have a picnic area here too, honey.
Look.
It's so windy, look. At the flag. Oh my god, it's so deep. Here is the view. It's far away. Here guys. Okay, we're going to the lake now, guys. I want to show you guys this. Here is, guys, the other side. Yeah. Here it is. Hey, look at here. What is the view here? Oh. It's far away. Cannot see the lake. Cannot see here the lake, guys. We go to the outdoor. We go to the lake now. Bear Lake. This.
Truck ramp closed. There's the lake. I saw it.
Where is that? Oh,
Yeah, it looks like an ocean.
You know when I waked up, Daddy?
When?
I woke up at 6 again.
Again?
And then I went back to sleep. And then
look at that, guys. I think it's just a sky. That is the Bear Lake, guys. It's so far away. Look at the boat there. Here is the Bear Lake. Oh my god, so
that
big.
is an ocean. That is not a lake. That is an ocean.
Look like ocean, but it's a lake. It's so big.
They're building the bridge. Look.
Yeah, here is construction of the road.
You know what I call Bear Lake?
What?
Why?
Bear Ocean.
New name.
Bear Ocean. Wow, look at this. Oops.
I
At
feel
the stop sign.
You know what I feel?
Say turn here. Did it say?
You know what I feel like
What?
right now?
Is it?
Look at that people there.
This place
Yeah.
Yeah,
feels
turn,
like
honey,
me,
to the left.
feels like California.